Hello kids! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Come on kids, let's learn. Today, we are going to learn sight words.
Today, we are going to learn 5 sight words. First, let's meet our friend with.
Hi, I'm the sight word with. I love to join things together.
Let's meet our friend of.
Hello, I'm the sight word of. I'm here to show possession.
Let's meet our friend or.
Hey there. I am the sight word, or. I give you choices.
Let's meet our friend but.
Hi, I'm the sight word but. I'm here to introduce contrasts.
Let's meet our friend for.
Hello, I am the sight word for. I express purpose.
Now that we've met our sight word friends, let's go on an adventure with a story using all 5 words.
A cat played with a ball of fur. The sun set, but he continued happily. He was never sad or unhappy, for the day was filled with joy. A rat sat on the mat, for it was cozy. But the cat or dog didn't notice. Of course, they were getting ready for a picnic with laughter and fun.
Let's find out all the with words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. With. Good job. We can now point out the word with when we see it. Let's find out all the of words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. Of. Good job. We can now point out the word of when we see it. Let's find out all the or words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. Or. Good job. We can now point out the word or when we see it. Let's find out all the but words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. But. Good job. We can now point out the word but when we see it. Let's find out all the for words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. For. Good job. We can now point out the word for when we see it. Good job, kids! You have learnt more sight words today. Stay tuned.